begin game state, we declared a class of board with parameter level. In class board, we include the parameter level and declared a variable where we can keep track in which level we are in. The number of variety of tiles depends upon the level. We set the condition in order for us to not exceed on the number of variety we have. The number of matches obtained is also the number of seconds added to timer. Self.seconds is used for us to keep track on how much time will be added to timer. We use tweeting function for additional graphics. We first include the class of board in playState.lua. The points depends on the variety of tile that matches. If there is a match, this what must happens. In addition to that, we must return a true value and return false if there is no match obtained. Here is the original code for swapping tiles. If there is no match, we again switch the position of the tile we selected and set the self.can input into true so we can move the cursor and choose another tile again. We must first set a graphics for a shining tile. In order to do that, copy the image of particle that we going to use in graphics folder of the game itself, in dependencies.lua. Include the image of the particle. Now in generating tiles, set a variable for a shining tile. This can either have a value of true or false. Let the shining tile be noticeable to the user. In order to do that, we include a particle system like what we do in ENg'g game. And finally render an appropriate graphics for a shining tile. First set a tracking variable to determine if there is a shining tile in a single match and initialize it with a value of false. In every match, check if the included tile in a match has a shining tile, then set the tracking variable into true. Then include the whole row of tile relative to the position of the shining one in the match. The same goes with the vertical match. If there is a shining tile in a match, the whole column will be included in the match.